Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Android apps not available in your country. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to download specific Android apps specifically for certain regions, like apps only available in the US, the UK, well, the thing with this one is you need to manage your profiles. Now, typically, when you go to Google Play Store here, click on your profile at the top right here, your profile photo, and if you go to the section for settings at the very bottom here, you should see an option that says general at the very top. So that includes account preference, notifications. Go ahead and select that one. And in here, you should see account and device preference. Go ahead and access that one. Now, inside the section, you should see the country and profile section. So typically, if you have like multiple profiles in here, like a country profile for, let's just say the US or the UK, or even for Australia, you should be able to select that. Now, currently, since I only have one profile here, you won't be able to switch to that profile. So how do you add a profile here? Well, this one is quite easy as well. So again, you want to go back in here, click on the profile icon. You see top right again, go to payments and subscriptions. And from here, you want to go and click on payment methods. Now, inside the payment methods section here, you want to go and click on more payment settings, and it should open up payments.google.com with your credentials. Now, if they require you to log in into your account, go ahead and log in here. But once you've done that, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just click on the 3-bar icon I see at the top left of your screen. And in here, you want to go and just choose the settings option here. Now, once you are in here, you want to look for a very specific setting here. So typically what you need to do is you want to scroll down a bit here until you see the payments profile section. Now, in here, you want to go and just click on the pencil icon under or next to the country/region section. Go ahead and just select that, click on create new profile. In here, let's go and click on continue because we are going to create a new payment profile. Now, in here, you want to go and just choose your country or region. So as an example here, I'm going to choose Australia, click on continue. Now, from here, what you need to do is you want to go and provide the necessary details. Now, for example, your name, your address, and click on the submit button here in order for you to submit your details. Again, you need to provide these details in order for you to set up your payments account here. Now, once you've created your profile, it's now going to say new payments profile created. You could go and just click on the view profile here to view your profile. And once you've done that, if you scroll down a bit here, if you go to country and region, you should now see that your account is now set to that specific country or region. Now, currently it's now a lot easier to change your payments profile. So before, you need to add a certain payment method in order for you to create a profile. But right now, you can just create your profile here in order for you to change your country or region for your Google Play Store account. Now, also just to be on the safe side here, you want to go ahead and just go to your settings again in your Google Play Store app, and you want to go ahead and just choose general again. And again, you are going to go back into the account and device preference here. And again, you want to look for the country and profile section. Now, if you do see or still see an option here that says change profile, or an option for you to select your other profile that you just recently created, go and just select that as well, so that you are really using your new profile, and you should be able to start downloading those apps previously not available for you on that specific profile. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.